Hi, my name is Francis. I'm a professional coach and international rule setter. My favorite shoe, of course, is La Sportiva. Today, I would like to share with you a few type of shoe that is suitable for beginner and more advanced climbing. Okay, there's three different type of shoe, which is the slipper and Velcro, as you can see. And the last one is the shoelace. So the main difference is for slipper, is always slip it on easily all day long, and if you want something to be tighter after the slipper will be the Velcro. And lastly, for shoelace, it gives you a more better fitting, which you can really tie it up if you want to try some hard routes or more performance routes. Beginners, I would advise you get some shoe that is flat, because it's more easy for smearing and it's more comfortable for you to wear all day long to climb. But of course, in terms of the position of footing, some downturn shoe will be better. Example, if you look at this shoe, the curve is actually stronger and it's easy to climb on the stiff overhang. And this kind of shoe actually give you more stronger footwork in terms of performance to climb on more stiff or overhang wall. Okay, in 2016, we have two new models. First is the Otaki. Otaki is an upgrade version of Katana, which if you look from the side, basically Otaki is more downturn at the front of the shoe. But one thing great about this Otaki shoe is that it really provides a very stable and precision heel hooking, which if you look at the back of the shoe, there's a two layer of rubber, and this rubber eventually hold on the heel so that when you heel, the position doesn't make the leg move so much at the back of the heel. And of course, for the front, this is better for more performance and hard road climbing. Okay, another great thing about the shoe is with this P3 rubber, if you look at it, for this flat shoe, eventually after a while, the shoe will easily get turned or bend. But with this, you actually try to maintain the shoe always in a curve and more steep position. Okay, second model of 2016 shoe is Genius. Genius is the highest end of La Sportiva shoe. So the special part about this shoe is it introduced the no age technology, which when you pull on it, you feel like the shoe is like wrapped on the whole feet. So in Malaysia, for outdoor climbing, we have a lot of limestone. So limestone have a lot of small and sharp foothold. So with this shoe, all rounded, no age technology, it gives you more sensitivity and more overall feeling on stepping on a small footwork. Okay, one of the most common questions that beginners ask, what size should I get for my first pair of shoe? Or I would like to try a different brand of the shoe. So my advice for you is that if you are a beginner, try to go to the size that is more comfortable rather than a very downturn like Otaki. So one of the good flat shoe with a slightly downturn and a sharp edge will be Katana with a Velcro, which is easy for you to put on and take out. Okay, another type of the shoe that which is Cobra, that is suitable for beginners, is a slipper. You just slip on, and this shoe is suitable for indoor and outdoor. You can wear it all day long, and it's not painful for your toes. Basically, it's a good warm-up and you can use to train for endurance climbing. Well, in my personal opinion, the reason that I love La Sportiva shoe is because the shoe rubber is really sensitive and it provides a good performance to my climbing. Just come to CallZone. The product specialist here will help you and advise you to get the best model and size that suit your climbing style.